Subaru Forester 2003 to 2008. To get the gas pedal out, you just need to unscrew two 12mm bolts, one at the bottom and one at the top, then pull the plug and you are ready to put the new pedal in.